how to install Terraform on Red Hat Enterprise Linux. So, first of all, you need to head on to the website developer.hashicorp.com. HashiCorp is the company behind Terraform. And click on the install button. As you can see, there are installers available for all the major operating systems, macOS, Windows and Linux as well. At the moment they are supported the x86 architecture as well ARM. Let me select the CentOS/RHEL for Red Hat Enterprise Linux. As you can see, we just need to install the YAM utility and configure an extra repository with HashiCorp directly, and then we can install the Terraform package. Cool, let's head on to our terminal. Let's get our hands dirty. Okay, so first of all, we need a Linux Red Hat Enterprise machine. In my case, let me connect via SSH using DevOps as username at rhel.example.com. After specifying the password, I'm inside the system. Okay, like usual, we need to get access to the super user using sudo su and typing the password of the DevOps user. As you can see, this is a freshly installed Red Hat Enterprise Linux 9.3. Cool. Now we can set up the additional repository and installing Terraform. First of all, let me also install the YAM utilities. These are sets of utilities that are necessary for configuring an additional repository in Red Hat Enterprise Linux. If you are like me, in the fresh box, you also need to refresh the official repository from Red Hat before proceeding installing additional software. It doesn't take so long and is basically refreshing the base OS and upstream repository of the system. In my case, I'm using Red Hat Enterprise Linux 9 for ARM processor. As you can see, the installation of YAM utils is pretty smooth, I would say, and the package is also only 35 kilobytes, so not a big deal. Okay, now we can use yam-config manager with the option of --add repo and specify the additional HashiCorp repository. We can copy and paste directly from the website that is the best way. Okay, cool. Now the repository in additional HashiCorp repository is installed and we can move forward in our Terraform journey. As you can see, the command is not found in the system. The easiest way is to use yam install Terraform. Here we go. In a blink of an eye, this software will be downloaded with all the necessary Perl and Git dependencies. Okay, it's only 94 megabytes and it didn't take so long. So we just need to follow this 3 steps and confirm obviously the GPG HashiCorp key, and Terraform will be installed in our system. The latest version in this case is 1.7.2, but it could be more updated in your system. Anyway, once everything is setting up by YAM, the package manager of Red Hat Enterprise Linux, we are able to use the Terraform command from our command line. And then the sky is the limit. We can start our first script and interacting with Terraform. Okay, cool. Now, how can I verify if it's successfully installed in my system? Well, using Terraform with the option -version, we can verify which version is currently installed in our system. So Terraform -version, verify the version of Terraform 1.7.2, as well also the platform, in this case Linux on ARM64. Now, if you like me don't want to type manually all the commands, you can install also the auto-completion for bash shell. Just type terraform-install autocomplete, and on the next login some additional Terraform autocompletion will be available on your bash your Bash terminal. Cool. Now Terraform is successfully installed in Red Hat Enterprise Linux, and we are ready to move on our journey. The sky's the limit, and I can't wait to hear your story of success using Terraform and Red Hat Enterprise Linux. Yay! See you on the next video.